G'day, Starlo here with another handy 2-minute tip.
Great salmon.
Yeah, look how chunky he is.
Oh, he's going to be beautiful for dinner.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a quality salmon.
Australian salmon or kahawai are a wonderful sport fish, but many people don't rate them as a table fish. I think that's because they don't treat them right. We kill and bleed ours promptly, then chill them for a few hours before filleting. This firms them up nicely and makes them much easier to fillet. As you can see, the flesh looks great and is pale pink, but it also contains some obvious bloodlines of red muscle. It's those that create the strong, earthy flavours that many people don't enjoy, but they're easy to remove. I begin by trimming under the ribcage area of the fillet to separate the bones. You don't have to totally remove this portion, it'll come away when you skin the fillet. Skinning a heavily scaled fish like this is simple, especially once it's been chilled. Just work your knife between the flesh and the skin and separate them. You don't even have to be very fussy about staying right down on the skin, because that's where most of the red meat is. Cut right through and separate the skin. See the red muscle attached to it? Now I'm going to trim most of that strong tasting bloodline out. You can see that there's still quite a bit of it on the fillet. I'll flip the fillet over and slice along the centre, either side of the main bloodline. Cut right through. Same on the other side. This central strip is mostly bloodline. You can use it for bait, burley, or feed it to your pets. Ours love it, and it's really good for them too. Right, so we've got these two large pieces and there's still some dark meat on them, but with a sharp knife it's not hard to trim the red muscle away. It's not deep. Another bit for the pets or the burley pot. There's a fair bit back here on this section, but again it easily trims away, just like that. I then like to cut this big shoulder portion in half before cooking. Have a look at that, an absolutely premium portion of white, firm, blood-free fish, something any top restaurant would love to get hold of. And trust me, it tastes every bit as good as it looks. Serve that to someone and don't tell them that it's a stinky old salmon, and I think you might be surprised at their reaction. Job's done. Time to cook. Bon appetit and tight lines till next time.